In this video, I'll be showing how to get the software and drivers installed for the Lighthouse CJ Pro II. I have downloaded the software and drivers from the support section of our website, and I have extracted the file to my desktop. Within that folder, you will see another subfolder for the software. Open this up, and you will see several other folders along with some small files. In this case, we can see start.exe, and we need to run this. This will open the splash screen where you can choose to install the software, choose to install the driver, or open the README file. In this case, I will be starting with the installation of the software, so I'll mouse over the text and choose this option. It will then prompt user account control to allow access to make changes to the device. If you do not have administrator access to your device, you may need to contact your IT. In this case, I do, so I will just choose yes. The installation wizard will then verify the contents of the setup package. Now that the wizard has finished, it will now prompt me for the language to install. I am going to choose English and just press OK. In this next step, I will just choose Next. I need to accept the terms of the license agreement and then choose Next again. Finally, if I wanted to, I could move the installation path, or I could also add in a desktop icon, which I will do in this case. And I will then choose Install. Now that the software has finished installing, I will now choose Finish, and I will be returned to the splash screen we viewed earlier. Before I can open the software, I do need to get the driver installed first, so I will now choose that option within the splash screen. Yet again, you get the same user account control prompt, so I will choose Yes again. Now in the installation wizard, I just need to choose Next, and then Install Printer. I need to accept the terms of the license agreement and then choose Next again. In this case, I'm going to use my printer over the USB port, so I need to choose USB. It will now begin searching for my printer, and at this stage I need to get it turned on and also plugged in via the USB cable. So I'll do that now. Once it has detected it, you'll see the printer name appear in this top field. The other options you can leave blank and just choose Install. Now that it has complete, I can choose Exit, and now both the software and the driver are installed on my computer, and I should now be able to open the software from the shortcut I created earlier. It has appeared here, and a simple double click will get it opened up. If this is the first time that the software has been installed, then the license key will need to be entered before using it. A box will appear prompting you for this.